versus oh. That little difference there really makes or breaks the voice. If you feel like you're losing power or your voice gets weaker as you go higher and higher in your range, maybe you're losing volume, just getting softer, or you're breaking into falsetto, then today I have something for you. Watch as I guide a student through this exact problem, and we help her find more volume, more power, and also a healthy squeeze across her range. Now, feel free to practice with this lesson because singing is one of those things where it's important to understand, of course, but it's also equally more important to be able to feel what needs to happen. I hope you enjoy. You want to show me how you're practicing? So how did you go through this past week with the routine? I can also play scales for you if you need. Good.
Can maybe do that one again. Okay.
Is again, next one. I'm just hearing for general trends.
Okay, sure.
Yep. Nice. Are you comfortable playing the black keys as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll go maybe bow down to the B flat or the A sharp. Let's hear that one too.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, cool. Nice. Okay, I'll take over here. So first of all, well done with the pattern. That's probably the most important thing from last week is just making sure the pattern is correct. Now, let's kind of focus a little bit more on the details of the execution. Okay. So what's good right now is pitch change is fairly easy for you. So you know how you're going up and down, like you're generally getting to the notes. It's not too big of a drama. What is kind of happening a little bit is the first bit is the closure could be a little bit more precise because right now it's a little bit a little bit like that. Mm-hmm. It could be a little bit more precise as in like notice how there's a little bit more, you might even hear it as a little bit more grip on the sound. There's just a little bit more grip there. It's just that's the arytenoids kind of being a bit more engaged, just a little bit more. Because what happens is if we don't have that precision, as we go up higher, like notice how there's a little bit more like air or texture that kind of wants to come through on the top note. Versus that little difference there really makes or breaks the voice because one is a little bit more precise, a bit more sealed, more contained. The other one is as you go up high, you'll feel like you need to push through more and more air, or it just breaks in falsetto. Now, an easy way to kind of notice that kind of grip that we need to maintain, try a little bit of like a vocal fry. So I want you to go, oh. Yeah, nice. So notice when you do this kind of vocal fry, you kind of have to hold back your air a little bit, so you can't really blow too much. And then there's a little feeling of like, I don't know if you notice it, but like something kind of brings the chords together. Oh, there's like a little feeling of like, it's not like you're not gripping like crazy for dear life, right? Let's try bring this into a scale now. So every time you feel like the voice wants to like let go a little bit, kind of go to that more textured sound, or you feel like you lose a bit of that grip, just kind of bring a little bit of that fry feeling in. But if I go, right before that top note, if I feel like I want to let go, I just try to bring through a bit more fry to kind of help me bring those chords back to balance. Ideally, we don't want to stay in fry too much because fry can bring more like over squeeze, like this kind of feeling. So we don't want to stay forever. But because your voice generally likes to be more like kind of lets go, like lets more air through, that's why we're kind of using this as a temporary balancing tool. So
I see.
Try it again. It will make more sense as we go and do this. Yes. Yeah. You got it in the middle and the top note. So that's you kind of hang on to a little bit more closure through your range. Next one, same thing. Not as close. Try it again. making it a little bit more fry in the beginning. That will help set you up. And then probably like right before you go for that top note, or just a little bit more fry there again.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah, and you started well there. Oh, oh, or just before that top note, you go to the top note. Or just a little fry there. We'll kind of clean it up. You got it.
Oh, oh,
Nice.
oh, oh, oh.
Yeah, that was better. That was a better attempt. So right now, we're just trying to help you feel, number one, a little bit more like healthy, good, or like good closure, good grip on the sound, and then be able to maintain that across pitch. Now it's kind of similar to how last week we went like, hey, you know when we went for hey, like that was another way to kind of bring it in. But both of them are just trying to get you to feel similar things, which is there's a certain grip you can find on closure that's less, kind of more textured, because that's why as we go up higher, it wants to kind of go to like a softer, maybe weaker sound, and maybe why like breath control can feel a little bit hard, is because your breath control is only as good as what the resistance it meets.
Oh.
Right?
I
So if
didn't
I'm
know
really
that.
good at
Yeah.
blowing air, but my vocal folds
Yeah.
aren't really resisting anything, it's just air coming out, right? So there has to be this kind of balance between closure and the airflow underneath. That's what gives a supported kind of sound. You know, the air is literally supporting the vocal folds vibrating. So if we come back to this exercise, or can you keep a bit more of that grip you're feeling here the entire way, not just on the top bottom note. Yeah, you got it.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah, like for example, that's so clean. That's like amazing. That's actually what we need a little bit more. Can you do that again?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yes.
Oh, 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 oh.
Almost just slips a little bit on the top. So you can hang right through, go right through there. Yeah.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yes. Well done. Something's clicked. Amazing.